Hi there, I'm Kevin, the basic filmmaker, aka not a salesperson. I like simple, so here's the deal. You want to make 4, 5, and even 6 figures on your YouTube channel? This is your course. Have absolutely no sense of humor? Not your course. Want to know if I'm legit? Google basic filmmaker or read my boring bio on the new YouTube Academy page. Rather listen to your bros, your mom, or another YouTuber? Cool. Bail now. Costs too much? You'll make 10 to 100 times that. Still think it costs too much? Not your course. Bail now. Willing to work at it? This is your course. Want to know what's BS and what works? This is your course. Cool. That's my pitch. Read the new YouTube Academy page, decide if it's right for you, and sign up now. I'm Kevin, the basic filmmaker, aka not a salesperson, and thanks for your time. Wait, I almost forgot one thing. There's an 80% off deal right now. It goes to February 29th at 11:59 and 59 seconds Pacific Standard Time. You better enroll now, because once that's over, you'll never see that again. Okay, now I'm done.